Is it the right time to buy or sell ARM Holdings plc stock? Today, we're delving into ARM Holdings plc, offering a more in-depth analysis following our initial report released on Monday, 22nd April 2024. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and enable notifications to stay informed about our latest insights. Stay ahead of the curve and avoid missing any vital updates that could impact your investments. Optimize your trading decisions with our cutting-edge AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 on StockInvest.us. Harness the potential of AI technology to access free price predictions and in-depth analyses for over 25,000 global companies today. Please bear in mind that this video serves for informational purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Since March 26, 2024, our system has identified ARM Holdings plc as a sell candidate with a score of -4.56. Now let's delve into the stock's performance during this time. The stock saw a decrease of -27.24%. This results in an average daily loss of -1.43% since it was classified as a sell candidate. The stock is currently in the lower part of a wide and strong rising trend in the short term, presenting a potential buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at 87.80 is breached, it could signal a slower rate of increase and possibly a trend reversal. Over the next 3 months, there is a projected 26.82% change in the stock's value, with a potential return ranging from 19.58% to 142.63%. ARM Holdings plc had a notable day in the stock market with a 6.79% increase in its stock price on Monday, reaching $93 from 87.90 cents. Throughout the day, the stock varied by 5.90%, moving between a low of 89.06 and a high of 94.32. Over the last 10 days, the stock has experienced a downward trend, dropping by 27.96%. The trading volume decreased by 14 million shares on the last day, with a total of 15 million shares exchanged, valued at approximately $140 billion. It's important to note that a decline in volume at higher prices could signal potential changes in the coming days. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the stock's highest price was $164, while the lowest was $46.50. Currently, the stock is trading at 70.89 below its 52-week high of $164, marking a 43.23% decrease from the all-time high. Analyst ratings on Friday, April 19, 2024, Exane BNP Paribas downgraded ARM to a neutral grade. On Monday, April 15, 2024, Evercore ISI initiated ARM with an outperform grade. On Monday, April 8, 2024, KeyBank upgraded ARM to an overweight grade. On Thursday, March 7, 2024, Rosenblatt Securities held RM at an underperform grade. On Thursday, March 7, 2024, Susquehanna maintained ARM at a buy grade. Analysts have assigned ARM Holdings plc stock a general buy rating. They consider the PE ratio to be a strong buy and price to book as strong buy. When it comes to return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a buy rating. The signals for ARM Holdings plc are as follows. Volume decreased on the last trading day despite price gains, indicating a divergence that warrants close monitoring. Negative signals have emerged which could impact short-term development. Sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages suggest a negative outlook. The relationship between these averages also signals a sell, with resistance expected at $1.9909 and $125.61. Breaking above these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was triggered on February 12, 2024, resulting in a -37.5% decline, with further downward movement expected. Additionally, a sell signal is present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MAD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 49 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 3 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 10 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 20 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 18 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 9 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 3 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 103 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for ARM Holdings plc. When looking at support levels, ARM Holdings plc currently has support at $87.19 and $77.01. If these levels are breached, the stock may move to the next support level at $73.91. This indicates potential downside risk. Due to the stock's volatility, it is considered high risk, with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band. In the last day, the stock moved 5.26 or 5.9% between high and low prices, showing significant fluctuations. Over the past week, the average daily volatility was 9.64%. Let's start by exploring the fundamental data for ARM Holdings plc before discussing potential trading levels. The price-to-earnings ratio, PE ratio, is a key metric that compares the company's share price to its earnings per share. While the high PE ratio may indicate overvaluation, it's common among tech companies with significant growth prospects. Looking ahead, the Q1 2024 earnings report is scheduled for May 8, 2024. Analysts anticipate earnings of 30 cents, which could have a notable impact on stock prices. Let's dive into potential day trading levels for ARM Holdings plc. For an upward trend, the first resistance level is at $107.56. If you're not invested yet, consider waiting for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. Existing shareholders might find this level suitable for swing trading opportunities. On the downside, the first support level for ARM Holdings plc is at $87.09. If this support level holds, it could serve as a promising entry point with potential for a rebound. The consensus rating for ARM Holdings plc from various analysts is buy. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On 2011-02-16, Rothmeyer Stephen G. made an insider buy of 4,500 shares of common stock. On 2011-02-16, Rothmeyer Stephen G. made an insider sell of 4,500 shares of restricted share units. On 2011-02-16, Newland William R. made an insider buy of 4,500 shares of common stock. On 2011-02-16, Newland William R. made an insider sell of 4,500 shares of restricted share units. On 2011-02-16, Marley James E. made an insider buy of 4,500 shares of common stock. From the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power is calculated to be negative with a ratio of 0.000. Overall, insiders bought 846,065 shares and sold 190,612 shares in the last 100 trades. We are giving a negative evaluation for this stock, and it is important to note that no stop loss has been set. Is ARM Holdings plc stock a good buy? Despite a positive trend, ARM Holdings plc stock has several negative signals, leading us to believe it will perform weakly in the near future. Our evaluation of this stock is negative. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, April 23rd, we anticipate ARM Holdings plc to open down in 95s and start trading at 92.6 cents. It's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of financial loss. Before making any investment decisions, it's advisable to consult with a financial advisor. Please be aware that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment actions. Presenting our current view on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What target do you have in mind for this stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe. Wishing you successful trading and a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.